Good morning, everybody. My name is Papa Brent. I am working as an English teacher in Sri Siddheshwara High School, Anand. Dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson. That is, there is a girl by her class. In this lesson, there is a girl by her class. The writer, he wants to explain about youth's dareness. How that youth very dare to solve some problems, or how they were trying to solve the difficulties in the situation. Here in this lesson, the writer gave some picture regarding this some accidents which occurred there. Look at the picture is here in this lesson. This picture shows one of the lady, one girl, they fell down on the tracks, railway track. So this is the story that about that youngster, how they are ready to solve the difficulties, or they were very dare to do anything. The youths are very important. It means the youths, they are ready to face any problems at any situation. This lesson shows about the youth's courageous. The courage is very important. Not age is not important, but courage is very important. In this lesson, one of the boy, the Baleshwar Mishra, he was younger. He wanted to save the life of Robert Aldrich. In this lesson, so many characters are coming here. One is Robert Aldrich, second one is Baleshwar Mishra, and third one is Robert Aldrich's brother, Dinesh Mishra, and also the truck driver, and also the hospital situation, that are a doctor and a nurse like this. This is the scene that when that lady or the girl, when she met an accident on the railway track, a young boy, Baleshwar Mishra, he wanted to save her life. Then he was ready to jump from the moving track, even though he cannot count his life, and he wanted to save the life of Robert Aldrich. It shows the youngster how they were ready to save the life. The youngsters, they have to cultivate the courageousness in their life. So this is the story we are going to learn in this lesson. And also humanity is very important, courage is important. In our life we are going to show the humanity and courage at any time. The age is not important, but the courage and the humanity is very important. Here Robert Aldrich, Baleshwar Mishra, so, and also Dinesh Mishra, the Robert Aldrich's brother, and also the truck driver, like this, the doctor, like this, so many characters are appearing in this scene or lesson. Let us, we are going to read the first paragraph. There is a girl by the tracks. Nobody dared to go where this youngster did. As the Mumbai Southern Electric train made its 22nd, 6:32 p.m. halt at the station, commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It was a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. call center executive Roma Talija tried to settle into a corner near the door. The train hurtled ahead and Roma jammed between other women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed. Lost her tenuous foothold and pain. Here in this lesson, in the first paragraph, the writer he wants to describe about the scene of Mumbai railway station. How that metropolitan city's railway station was very busy. How that people, they were regularly travel from the station, different parts of the country. Here, as the Mumbai Southern Electric Train made its 22nd, as the Mumbai Southern Electric Train, as the Southern, here there is a new word is here. Southern means of a place outside a city. You know that the Mumbai railway station is out of the city. This is called, that is Southern railway station. It means the travelers, they want to travel from the city to different parts of the country. So this is their Southern means of a place outside a city. Here one train, electric train, made its 22nd, 6:32 p.m. halt at a station. One electric train, it halt in the station, 22nd, 6:32 p.m. halt at the Mumbai railway station. Commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. There are 12 coaches in the train. You know that coaches? Have you seen that train? You know that train coaches means the boxes they are going to join in each, that boxes. You know that coach or box. There are 12 coaches in the train. The commuters. Here, another one, new word is here. We are going to introduce. Commuter means one who travels to work place daily. One who travel to work place daily. For the sake of work, almost all the workers, they have to travel from one place to another place regularly. So that people called as a commuter. Here, the commuters was swarm. Swarm means rush. Swarm means rush. In the railway station, the regular commuters, they swarm. Swarm are the passengers, or swarm means they were very rushed in the railway coaches. Packed coaches, it is a regular scene. It's a regular scene. When you go to the railway station, also bus station, the regular scene is always the passengers are very rushed to get into the bus or train. Here, in the railway station, the Mumbai railway station, the commuters, they were ready to get in the coaches, 12 coaches. Swarm means rush. Around India's most populated metropolis cities means very thickly populated cities in India. Maybe Mumbai also, populated or very thickly populated is there. So here Mumbai also called as a metropolis. Having just managed to squeeze yourself into a ladies' compartment, 21-year-old call center executive Roma Talreja tried to settle into a corner near the door. Here, what I have already told you, one of the important character, that is Roma Talreja. She was a regular commuter. It means she was regularly she went to work through regularly she traveled with the train to work from Mumbai's railway station. Roma Talreja, she was working in the call center executive. She was working as a call center executive. So she was regularly, daily, she wanted to travel in the train from Mumbai railway station. Now, Roma Talreja, she entered into the coaches and she get a place in the corner of the coach. Corner near the door, the train hurtled ahead and Roma jammed between other women. Was trying to find some space to stand safely or when she suddenly got pushed. Now, the train we started to move now. That the hurtle means move fast. Move fast. Another one new word is introduced here. Hurtle means moving fast or move fast. The train is going to move fast. Then she was the Roma Talreja. She was jammed inside the coach, between the women's coach. In the women's coach, Roma Talreja, she was jammed inside that coach. She was get a place in the corner of the coach. Suddenly got pushed, lost her tenuous foothold and packed. So suddenly, when the train moving fast, that she was imbalanced. When she was holding the handles, when she was going to stand in the corner of the train near the door, then when the train moves fastly, then she was imbalanced. Let's move. So that's pushed, lost her and uses foothold and banquet. This is about the story in the first paragraph about the Mumbai railway station. How Roma Talreja, she wanted to travel regularly from this railway station. Let us move towards the second paragraph. Her hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only a Roma was thrown out the coach. The clattering roar of the train muffled the thud of her fell on to the ground, more than a meter below. She was knocked senseless. When the train moved fastly, when Roma Talreja, she was imbalanced, then she was suddenly fell down from the coach, throw from the coach. She was fell down. She was fell down from out of the coach. There is a shouting in the coach. The people, those who are inside the women's or people, those who are inside the coach, they were going to shouting like anything. Fell on to the ground, finding only air, Roma was thrown out of the coach. She was thrown out of the coach. When she was imbalanced, she was thrown out of the coach. She was fell down out of the coach on the track. The clattering roar of the train muffled the thud of her fall on the ground more than a meter below. She was thrown the meter below. Thrown out from the coach meter below. This is throttle. Throttle means a noise, great noise. Great noise of the train that starting near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction. When she was fired out from the out of the coach, in the opposite direction, the another one train is coming. So, standing near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction, very fastly another one directionally that another one train is coming, the opposite direction. 20 years old Baleshwar Mishra could not believe what he had just seen. A young woman in a black salwar kameez laying next to the tracks. Meanwhile, gas and scraps emanated from his compartment. There is a girl by the tracks. The voice cried out. Here another one character, what I have already told you, that another one character is Baleshwar Mishra. In the opposite line, one of the young, that youngster or young boy, the Baleshwar Mishra was traveling in the opposite direction train. Suddenly when the girl fell down from the coach, the opposite direction train, the Baleshwar Mishra, the young boy was, look, that girl was fallen from the coach. Standing near the door of another train, that Baleshwar Mishra also standing in the door. Train speeding in the opposite direction. 20 years old Baleshwar Mishra, the young boy, he was a 20 years old boy. Baleshwar Mishra could not believe what he had just seen. Just he seen that girl was fallen from the thrown from the coach. Just seeing a young woman in a black salwar. That Roma Talrija, she was wearing the dress. Black salwar kameez laying next to the tracks. In the next track, that young girl, Roma Talrija, she was wearing a black salwar. It means the clothes. Black salwar kameez laying next to the tracks. Meanwhile, gasps and screams emanated from the compartment. There is a shouting. When they saw the girl, the young girl, she was fallen on the track, that the shouting is started in that coach. There is a girl by the tracks. There is a girl by the tracks. The voices cried out. When the people they saw that girl, and Roma Talrija, she was fallen or thrown from the train, or she was fallen on the track, another next track. The passengers, they want to cry like this. There is a girl with the tracks. There is a girl with the tracks. Surprisingly, they want to cry like this. The voices cried out. In the next paragraph, impulsively, Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it frequently. Immediately, the Baleshwar Mishra, the young boy, he was traveling in the opposite direction train. He was immediately wanting to put the red chain in the coach. You know that the chain, when you are going to put the chain in the train, when there is an emergency or when there is a very dangerous situation, then only you he want to pull the child, then slowly the train will stop. When Baleshwar Mishra saw that girl, she was fallen on the track, he immediately just quickly he was pulled the child. Immediately he wanted to pull the child. Grab the train's right emergency child and pulled it down frantically. The train screamed. Scream means slowly, making sound like that. Scream. Slowing down, making a sound that slowly the train is moving slowly down. He then survived the compartment full of very faces. Survived. He then surveyed the compartment full of very faces. In that compartment, the passengers' face was very full of worries. They are shouting like anything. Let's go and help her. In that coach, the passengers were shouting like this. Let's go and help her. Let's go and help her. He shouted, but nobody volunteered, afraid of getting involved, of being inconvenienced perhaps. All the passengers, they want to cry like anything, but nobody will be voluntarily moving to help that girl. Just they were crying, shouting like anything. Go and help her, like this. So in the next paragraph, you know that what happening there. His heart hammering his chest, Baleshwar showed himself to the door and jumped off the still moving train. In that situation, the young boy, the younger Baleshwar Mishra, he was jumped from the moving train to save that girl, Roma Talrincha. And he landed on the ground, a burst of pain shot up his ankle, but there was no real damage. When he was jumped from the moving train, he was having a pain in his foot. So, but there was no real damage. But there is no real damage to his leg. He got up to find part of his old rubber slippers were torn off as a result of his fall. Baleshwar Mishra was wearing slippers, chappals. When he was jumping, that the slippers were torn. His fall. But Baleshwar started to sprint back between the tracks as his train picked up speed again and disappeared. When he was jumped from the moving train, again that time it was going fast moving. This is the paragraph number 5. This is the story that how that Baleshwar Mishra, he was traveling in the opposite direction. He wanted to save the life of Roma Talrincha. Because, as I told you, this lesson belongs to the courage of youngsters, young boys. At the difficult situation, any difficult situation, the youngsters only moving to save that solve the problem or solve the life of any others. Here, the life of the Roma Talrincha was saved by that Baleshwar Mishra, the young boy. Here, the writer, he wants to say about that a young or courageous The age is not important. The courage is very important. Humanity is very important in our life. You have to show the humanity and courage anytime to save other life or to help others in our life. When others are in a difficult situation, you want to save the problem from the difficulties. So do you know that this lesson is linked between that first that part yesterday I have told about the quality of mercy. Here in this lesson, mercy also very important. The quality of mercy also very important here. Humanity also here very important. There is a link between this quality of mercy poem and also there is a girl with the rats. Here the youngster shows their courage, humanity and also mercy. Mercy are very important. Nobody will ready to voluntarily go to save the life of that what you call that Roman Kalvichas. Only the boy, the Paleshwar Mishra, he was ready to save the life of Roman Kalvichas. Anyhow, we the students, we the people, we are also a humanity, we are having that humanity because we are going to save the others' life and the situation. So like this, we have to show the situation when they were in the difficult moment. So you have to continue the helping purpose, helping, and also we are going to help others in the difficult situation, and also we are going to show the mercy when the people are in difficult situation. So next you are going to see this new words here in this lesson. Sovereign of a place outside a city, commuter, one who travels to workplace daily, swarm, rush, hurtle, moving fast. See that you have to look over the new words. Let us take the homework here. Who was Roma Kalvija? So you are going to know that Roma Kalvija was a young girl. She was working in the call center executive. Second one, write a few words about the Bombay railway station. You know that Bombay railway station, it is always very rush. The commuters always they were entered in the coaches. Next, who was Baleshwar Mishra? Baleshwar Mishra was a young boy. He was traveling in the opposite direction. Try. Let's you have to take these questions and answer these questions. Next, today we are going to stop this lesson. We are continuing the next period. Thank you very much.